here on the island of Gran Canaria. This island is 14 million years old. There's so much here, energy-wise, that I feel. There's things that have happened on this island where in the old days, when it was connected to the big island of Africa, it was also connected to what is known as Atlantis.
We're here amongst 15 families and their homes in the caves in the side of this hill. Families lived like this thousands of years ago, and they dwelled inside these caves long before the Spanish came. There are still people dwelling in these caves now, and as you can see, there's laundry and we can smell food cooking, and there's even a Santa hanging from the side of that one building. But the caves also have occupants. These people have been here for centuries. They've lived in these caves, and in the old days they worshipped dogs. They actually mummified the dogs and worshipped them, and it is said that the reason they worshipped them was they were actually worshipping Anubis, and that the influence from Egypt was very strong. We're here inside this cave on the island of Gran Canaria, and in this cave I'm perceiving the ancient people who once lived on this land, and they're hiding in these caves. I see their spirits everywhere, and they're hiding from something. We're going to go check out what it is. I can see the spirit. He's standing right here in front of me, and he's telling me that they once dwelled in these caves, and they used the caves for hiding. They were their hiding places on this land. That the land is all volcanic rock, and it's very important that they would go into hiding. He says because of the dog people, that the dog people came and they ruled this land, and that they had to stay out of sight because they were very afraid of them.